Welcome back, beauties. What you're seeing are the 4 ingredients needed to make brown rice with lots of flavor. Feel free to substitute vegetable broth for chicken broth. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to dice up your onion and your garlic because you're going to add it to a pan with oil of your choice. I did use olive oil. So you're going to saute the onions first because the garlic burns quickly, and cook it until it's soft or see-through. Then you're going to add your rice. I did only cook a half a cup of rice for one serving. Then you're going to add the rice to the oil and the onions and the garlic. You want to get it a little toasty in there. Make sure it's absorbing all of the flavor. Make sure every grain gets the flavor. This is where the flavor is going to come from for your rice. And if you're doing it right, it probably smells like Chinese food in your house right now. It smells pretty good. Lets off a pretty good aroma. So just go ahead and mix that up real good. And then you're going to add the chicken or vegetable broth. I did use vegetable broth for my rice. And go ahead and I poured in a cup of vegetable broth, and then 2 tablespoons of butter. That's going to add to the flavor. You know, butter makes everything good. So go ahead and get the butter in that mixture and begin balling it on a medium flame. And this should be your end result. If you like these type of videos, be sure to follow, like, leave a comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your rice.